What's up guys, Sal here. So even though the Galaxy Fold is officially showcased alongside the Galaxy S10, we still don't know much about the handset. That's because Samsung didn't let anyone touch the Galaxy Fold yet. But thankfully, someone got the handset early and they did a kinda Q&A session where they answered the things that we wanted to know ever since the launch. So let's discuss them one by one. The Galaxy Fold will come with the Snapdragon 855 chipset all over the world. Samsung usually includes their in-house Exynos chipset in markets like Europe, Asia and more. So going all in with 855 is kinda surprising. Anyway, he says the overall performance is comparable to the Galaxy S10 Plus, which is a good thing since the S10 Plus is the best performing device available right now. As far as the battery life is concerned, he says it's great, which is surprising again since it comes with a 4380 mAh battery, and considering it has a big 7.3-inch display as well as an extra front display, I was expecting the battery life to be mediocre, but glad to know it's not the case. He said there is, but he also mentioned that you won't notice it, especially if you increase the display brightness. You can feel it though, which shouldn't be surprising considering our hands can sense even minute imperfections. People were asking, is there any gap near the hinge portion when the device is closed or it's completely flushed? To which he said there is a small gap, which is understandable since it's not yet possible to fold the display completely. He also said that it's not possible to use the device when it's half opened. You need to completely open it or close it, otherwise the large display turns itself off. He also mentioned that there is a slight delay in the transition from the outside display to the inside display. He said sometimes it takes a few seconds for the phone to adjust to the new resolution, which is surprising since the device that Samsung showcased had a seamless transition. But I guess this can be fixed easily with a software patch, so shouldn't be a problem. Anyway, we'll see a full commercial release of the Galaxy Fold on April 26th, so we'll know everything we need to know by then. In the meantime, let me know what you think about this down in the comments, and as always, I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.